guy myself, having been around for years, get a vintage car out there.
Having braking problems. What's going on, guys? It's Elias. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. As you can see, I've been working on the Prelude for quite a while now. We went to Weatherly Hillclimb. You've seen those videos. The Prelude's doing pretty well. There's a couple of little issues that I'm still trying to figure out, but we have a time trial to go to this very weekend, and this weekend is July 4th. You'll probably be seeing this video like a month later. It is what it is. I've been a little bit backed up. I've been taking a little break, but racing does not stop. So as you can see, the Type R is waiting for me, but as it waits, we're gonna get some awesome wheels on my Prelude. Take a couple of guesses of what they're going to be. If you guys know what I like, you probably already know, so let me know in the comments below right now what you think these wheels are going to be. And I'm gonna get wheels, tires. I already have them. They're being mounted right now on the wheels, and they're being balanced. And I'm gonna have to do some modifications to the Prelude. So this is gonna be a two-part video of me getting ready for this time trial. So there's gonna be suspension modification, wheels and tires, as well as brakes. So let's go ahead, get started. This will be the wheels and tire portion. I'll explain to you guys why I chose the wheels, why I chose the tires, and what I'm expecting out of the Prelude with all of these modifications that I've done to it. Alright guys, so here we are on our way to Custom Import Performance. They're really awesome guys. They're the ones that usually mount my wheels and tires. And I'm going to go ahead and ask them how much it's going to cost for a ball joint install on the Prelude. In the meantime, I'm going to explain to you guys why I'm changing my wheels and tires on the Prelude. The main thing is, so the current tires on the Prelude actually are used race tires. So being used race tires, they were very cheap, but they were what they were. They're 215 4017 tires, I believe, and those are extremely skinny, and the fatter the tire, the better results you're gonna have. And but you know, I got them because they're extremely cheap, and I needed something to just slap on the Prelude to use as the emergency backup race car. I wanted to do hill climbs and get into hill climbs, and that's a very dangerous sport, and so at higher risk of crashing. Now I've done 3 hill climbs now with the Prelude, and not one incident. I did one time trial with the Type R, and I crashed. Now I did a lot of track days with Type R, so you know, it's just, you know, luck of the draw. Anyway, back to the Prelude. So now that I'm using my Prelude as my primary race car for this season, I need a little bit better rubber. So the guys here are super awesome. They actually had an Accord 2.0T Sport manual, and they were doing a custom exhaust. As you can see, they have exhaust piping here. I wanted to get here in time to hear it, but unfortunately they were so quick, they finished it up already. I think the customer picked it up already. So it must have sounded amazing. Let's go ahead and pick up our tires now. Look at the Koenigs.
Oh yeah. Oh, sorry.
All right. He's the guy that mounts them all. Don't they look nice? So for those of you that guess Koenig Ampliforms, give yourself a thumbs up. If you guys think these wheels look awesome, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, truly appreciate it. Let's go see what they look like on the Prelude. Let's take a quick little pit stop at AutoZone. I need 2 more brake caliper bleeders. Let's go pick it up. So as I was saying before, guys, I got those used BFG R1 tires. They are basically slicks. As you can see, there's no real tread on them. I got them because they were cheap, and I really wasn't gonna be competitive with the Prelude. I was just trying to start racing, and I needed some decent tires that were gonna stick. And in hill climbing, in the D Street Prepared class, you can run slicks. You can run Hoosier R7s or A7s. I just decided to go the very, very cheap route and got my BF Goodrich R1s, and those are really good tires, but the tires that I got were already heat cycled from when I got them, and then after 3 hill climbs and 1 track day I took them through, they're basically dead. Now, if you don't know what heat cycling is, it's after every time you go to, say, autocross, or you go through a track day, every time you get on the track, the tires get really, really hot, and as you step off the track, they get cooled down again. That's 1 cycle. Now, you put a tire through that same cycle 20 to 30 times, and the rubber gets super, super hard, and the stickiness of the tire goes away. So the tires that I'm using are heat cycled out for sure, so it was time for some new rubber. Now, like I asked you guys before, what do you guys think about the Koenig Ampliforms? They're pretty much my favorite wheel now. The Type R had Koenig Ampliforms. I think I'm going to get another set for the BMW 335D at some point. The S2000 needs new wheels. I'm looking at the Ampliforms as well. I got the black ones for the Prelude. I think it works best on gray. I didn't think the bronze would work that well. Again, let me know what you guys think. We're going to put them on now, see how they look. So here are the smaller, thinner wheels and tires I was talking to you guys about, the BF Goodrich R1s. These are pretty good tires, used up. I'll still keep using it until I cord them. Probably just for fun. I'll take it to the track days, Pocono, who cares. Non-competitive events, I'll take this too. But it's time to unveil these wheels. How do you think they look on the Prelude? Let's take a look. Boom! So for the next video, as you can see, we got a little bit of a problem here. The wheel and tire kind of sticks out from the fender. We're gonna give it some negative camber, try to tuck it in just a little bit. We're gonna be using these right here, SPC Performance ball joints. Some people call it a camber kit. Some people call it ball joints, adjustable ball joints. We wanna put one out back, and we'll put one in the front. And I already started to roll these fenders here in preparation. Let's see how it looks. Oh, and the 335D just made it home.